Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another handbag review. Today's bag that we are going to be looking at is the Marc Jacobs SOFTSHOT in the white scallop. It's beautiful. Just a reminder to make sure that if you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you want to see more videos like this video, and yeah, don't forget to check me out on all the social medias, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and my blog in the description below. Let's talk about this beautiful bag. So this is the Marc Jacobs SOFTSHOT in the scallop trim. So it has a scallop everywhere. It's beautiful. It's a white colour. It has like scallop all the way around. The Marc Jacobs symbol here in the front, and it has like a place for like your cards. Maybe like a Leap card would be good in there, or like your Metro card of your choice, or anything that you want to just quickly pop in. It comes with a strap, quite long. Do I know the dimensions of the strap? It's 23 inches or it's 58 centimeters. So I am 5'2", and this is what it looks like on me going across, and also what it looks like down just on my shoulder. So just for reference, I'm 5'2", and that's what it looks like on me. So now you'll know what it looks like roughly on you. The nice thing about these is that you can just take off this handle and swap it out for another one. Now the only thing is, I'm not sure, do they have many silver straps at the minute? On the website I think it's mostly gold, but they had like a dark silver, but I'm sure they'll bring out more. Like that was the time I checked quite a while ago, but I'm sure they'll bring out more, and you can like change it up, gold, silver, who cares, mix the metals. But it's really nice to, like, you can change out the straps if you wanted a different strap, if you wanna, if it's too much scallop for you, or like too white or whatever, you can just mix up the straps. I think what would lovely actually would be this white bag and the black and white straps. They have like this black and white, kind of like black with like Marc Jacobs going across in white. That would actually be quite nice with this. What fits inside this lovely bag? I have it full to the brim. It was on my shelf there, and for this review I was just gonna shove as much stuff in it as I could to show you. My favourite thing about this is the zips go the opposite directions. I think it's so cool. So you can fit quite a lot in it. So in the front, like, I have it full with everything I need, but like there's so much more room for other stuff to fit in there. Like you could fit so much more stuff in here. So at the minute I have a deodorant, like it's pretty big enough deodorant that fits in there. I have a little compact, this is actually the Fenty Beauty Universal Invisible Blotting Matte Powder, and I was very intrigued. It has like a little mirror and like this powder that you can just like blot, you know, if you're getting oily, instead of like those blotting papers. Never use those blotting papers. Never really bring anything in my bag, but I have that like did you ever get like no makeup goes around your nose there? I just have like this funny thing that makeup will not stay around my nose or like under my eyes or shit. But yeah, we just fix you up your makeup with a little blotty powder. But yeah, but just to show you that fits in there. Then I have my purse. I only have like you've seen in all of these videos, my YSL card holder. Absolutely love this. It's like the best thing ever because it fits all your cards. I shove my money in the front one, and then I shove some change in here as well, so it's like, it's great. So that fits in there. I have a lipstick. This is just Bye Boy by Suzanne Jackson. So sue me. Then I have Paw Paw. Could not live without this stuff. It's just the best shit ever. I can't go to sleep at night if I don't have Paw Paw on my lips. How funny. And then my newest perfume, which is the Jo Malone Wild Bluebell cologne. and supposedly it smells like Flight of Passage in Disneyland. I can't remember what it smelled like. I was just so in awe of the ride itself that I can't remember what it smells like, but by God, after this lockdown and we get the vaccine, I'm going to Disneyland, so I will be able to tell you if it actually does smell like it. But Charlotte Ruff said it, and I was so very much influenced by her. She bought it because she said it smelled like Flight of Passage, so I had to buy it, and that's what I have. It smells amazing. So that's all that I have in this pocket. But what I decided to put in the back here, which is very like me that I'd want it, is my Nintendo Switch. So my Nintendo Switch fits in here. How class. So I bring my Nintendo Switch with me on like journeys. I bring it on the train, I bring it like if I'm just going in the car. But I don't drive, so I like to play some games in the back. I don't get a travel stick or anything, so I can just go ahead and do this. But this fits in here, and there's plenty of room. Like you could fit like some games in there, or like you could fit some more stuff in there. I just wanted to show you that's how wide it is. So are you like me? Do you carry your thing around? I will say this just fits in. It actually doesn't fit in its case. If I want to bring the case, I'm going to have to bring a bigger bag. But this is roughly the size of like those big wallets. So it does fit in there. So you could put your big purse or your big item into the back here, and you could put all your other stuff in there. So in the back, do I think it's slightly bigger? Am I joking with myself? I think it might be ever so slightly smaller. Like the back is ever so slightly smaller than the front. In the back has the card holder, so you can 3 slots for your cards. You can fit all of that stuff in there in the front, and it's nice because it's kind of like you could bulk up the front and it could squish in the back. You know, this is movable. That is everything that fits into this bag. I have filled it up, but by no means have I filled it to its max, so you could definitely get way more stuff in there. If you're a person that carries a lot of items, know that they will fit in here. Okay, so pros and cons of this bag. First pro is that it is soft. So it is, like it says on the tin, it's called a SOFTSHOT for a reason. It is squishy. That means like you can really bulk this out. Like you can like really shove stuff in there to get it closed. Whereas like I said, the snapshot camera, it is snapshot because I used to think Snapchat. So the snapshot, like you won't be able to like fully overpack your bag with that because it just doesn't have any give. So the SOFTSHOT has that give. Another pro is that it has these, you can like customize it. You could get a SOFTSHOT bag and use it with like a snapshot strap. Another pro is at the minute this current bag, the white scallop SOFTSHOT, is on sale, has 40% off. It was 550, I believe. It was 550 and now it's 330 euros. So if you were thinking about getting it, now is the time to buy it. I suppose the only con about this bag is that this particular one, it's white, it's scalloped. It obviously doesn't go with everything. That is my review of the Marc Jacobs SOFTSHOT scallop bag, and all the SOFTSHOTs, I guess, because they're all kind of the same. But I wanted to show you the white one because when I was thinking about buying it, I went on YouTube to see what it looked like in person, and I actually couldn't find anyone that had the white scallop version. So now there's this. So you know, if you were looking for a Marc Jacobs SOFTSHOT bag, this is kind of what it looks like. How much fits into it. Would I recommend? I would recommend it. I think they're a great bag, a great everyday bag. Obviously the white scallop isn't for everyone, but like they come in different colours. I've seen that they come in different colours and they actually come in different patterns. There's like nice flowery ones or like spotty ones, polka dotty ones, like lovely designs, lovely designs. So I think why not, I would definitely recommend. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I upload subscribe for more videos like this. I upload every week, usually on a Sunday, well, always on a Sunday. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Let's have a chat about bags in the description below. If you have any questions, add them to the comments and I will get back to you. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!